Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a flip through of this really cute book I stumbled across on Amazon. It's wrapped in plastic though, so let me take that off. Thought it was going to be easier, but it seems to be taped on there. Okay, that was double wrapped in plastic. So I stumbled across this on Amazon. And it kind of has the Johanna Basford vibes, like even the cover, you know, with some of it filled in with gold, and then the way the doodles are, especially back here. So I was curious, although this cover feels really nice. I was curious, so I bought it and thought I would share it with you. So let's open it up. Also, it has a dust cover that you can color. It's called Doll's House. Oh, that's cute. So this whole dust cover comes off. Hang on a sec. Slide the book out of there. So look at that whole thing you can color. Wow, that is a big page. This is the entire inside of the dust cover. And then you could still color the outside of it too. Interesting. Okay, so here it is without the dust cover. And you let me know. It's kind of like eerie meets Johanna Basford in a way. I don't know. Wow, that is one thick thing here. Okay, so it says contents. Living room, kitchen, veranda, bedroom, dressing room, origami, secret room, garden, workroom, bathroom. I assume that's kind of where we're going. Okay, so I believe this is a Korean coloring book. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it says, don't put off your happy life. That'd be a really fun one to color. All right, so then we have the belongs to page. No idea what that says. I could scan it with Google Translate. I do like how it says vintage in English, and that's it. Oh, look at that little bento box. Okay. All right. It's really pretty. This paper is actually really nice. Let me see if I can, yeah, there we go. All in frame now. This is nice paper. So this is a little gray, but I guess it's the title page that we're getting into the living room. See, doesn't it have kind of like an eerie meets Johanna Basford style to you? That's the feeling I get. Wow, look at that double page spread. Because like Erie is very wide open. Her pages can be quite daunting, but they're wide open, you know. Oh look, autumn. So this is like an autumn, spring, summer, winter. So they're like different window settings. But yeah, Erie's pages are like a little bit more open. But like Johanna has that doodly style. I don't know, they just kind of feel like the two have meshed into one here. And it's nice cardstock. It is smooth, so if you're not a fan of super smooth, you might not like it. It's kind of almost as smooth as those eerie romantic country ones, but not quite. And it's more white than ivory. Now we're into kitchen. It's interesting how some is in English and then some is not. Wow, look at that kitchen. See, like, I mean, some of these ingredients are in English, but then they just have like random other things, not like organic eggs. Would be a fun one to color. Oh, this is a cute one too. Yeah, I like this because it's very doodly. That would be a good one for tutorials. Oh, look at that one. I really like this page. Look at that cake. Now veranda. Ooh. This is going to be Pinocchio. Very interesting style. Bedroom, refresh life and sleep. Whoa, that's a busy double page spread. That's, I think that's from the inside cover. Isn't? Yeah, it is. So you could color it twice if you wanted to. Eyebrow pencil. Let's see, dress room, so closet. Ooh, fun. Like I said, really, it's just something I found on Amazon. I was like, huh, interesting. And it won't search up, like you have to be really specific. Because I had stumbled across it once and I wanted to go back to it. And I had to type in vintage, my room, Korea coloring book, I think is how I got it to pop up. Because if you just type vintage my room coloring book, it didn't show up for me. I'll leave a link in the description below. You're welcome to use that. But yeah, it's like, thought that was kind of weird how it wouldn't pop up. It does take a few extra days to ship, but you don't pay any extra in shipping. Oh, that's cute. All the little fairy tale books. Garden. I'm going to use my translator later and see what some of these say. Because like I said, they just have those random ones throughout the book, it seems. Okay. Gotta really press down that spine. This would be fun to do with watercolor. Secret room. Oldest value. Remember the past every day. Top secret diary. I mean, this is a double page spread. Ooh, coloring tips, but they're in Korean. But still, you can kind of get the gist. So, looks like they're using marker. I'm pretty sure marker would bleed through on this, but and they're using touch markers. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, there's some coloring tips. Ooh, a Prismacolor. Oh, already in love. I was showing you how to like color the bananas. Oh, so it's like a just quick tutorial. And then looks like we have like a little 3D cutout thing here. This is a tan paper now. Oh my gosh, look, you can cut out and color a little paper doll. That's cute. I'm gonna do that for my daughter. And then you even have this, you can make like a little 3D room. And I think that's the end. Oh, no, I lied. What's on the back here? Oh, they're little cards. And they even have like little perforation so you know where to cut or fold. Those will be fun too. So yeah, that is, let me get the cover back over here. Vintage My Room. Like I said, just one of those random things I stumbled across. If you have this, let me know. And then like I said, I don't mind doing like a color along or a tutorial in this one. This would be good, and it's really good paper. So I was kind of nervous when I saw it. I was like, oh, this is going to be like CreateSpace paper, but because it took a few extra days and it wasn't sold through Amazon directly, I kind of had high hopes that it was actually paper I wanted to use. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me for this flip through, and until next time, take care. Bye now.